In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can add a flexible, interactive drawing area right inside your Notion page and sketch ideas without leaving your workspace. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page where you want your drawing to live. This could be a project hub, a meeting notes page, or a personal dashboard. Make sure you're on the exact page where the drawing should appear so you don't have to move anything later. If you're working in a shared workspace, confirm you have edit access to that page. Next, type a / followed by the word embed, then press enter. This brings up Notion's embed block, which is designed to display content from other tools right inside your page. You'll see a field waiting for a link. That's where your drawing canvas will come from. Now, paste a link from a drawing tool like XGallyDraw or TLDraw. Both are browser-based, lightweight whiteboards that generate shareable links. You can create a fresh blank canvas in either tool and copy its URL or use a link to an existing sketch if you already have one. If you plan to edit the drawing inside Notion, use a link that allows access to the canvas. Many tools let you control whether viewers can just see or also edit. As a quick tip, make sure you're pasting the main share link, not a private or expired URL. Click Embed Link. Notion will load the canvas right in your page. Give it a moment to render. If it doesn't appear, double check that the link is correct and publicly accessible according to the drawing tool's settings. Once it loads, you'll see the familiar toolbar from the drawing app embedded in place. From here, use the embedded tool to draw your content. You can sketch with a pen, add shapes and arrows, drop in text labels, and organize ideas visually. Most of these tools support undo and redo, layers or grouping, and easy selection so you can refine your layout as you go. Because the canvas is embedded, your changes save in the drawing tool itself and will stay in sync wherever that link is used. This is great for brainstorming, process diagrams, wireframes, or quick annotations alongside your notes. If you prefer cleaner lines, many tools snap shapes and arrows into place and let you hold modifier keys to keep lines straight. When you're done sketching, simply continue working in Notion. The drawing stays right where you need it, ready for the next update.